top row of lights in our color guard is where that gauge that we just looked at gets its colors from. As we can see, we have 2 red lights showing up in the color guard, and we see a yellow light showing up in the price. If you're new to VectorVest, you may be wondering, why do we see that yellow light? Markets are down. Why don't we have 3 red lights across the board? Well, if we count back 5 trading days earlier, we see that the July 7th price was green, and we can't go from green to red over a 5-day basis. So even though we're lower day over day and week over week, best we're gonna see in the price column is a yellow light. Next one we look at is RT, or relative timing. The relative timing is looking at that short-term price trend in the overall market, and it's cast on a scale of 0 to 2. Since it's below 1, that tells us the short-term trend in the market is down. Also, it is lower day over day and week over week, and same with the buy to sell ratio. But the buy to sell ratio is looking at the overall health of the market, looking at the number of buy rated stocks in a database and comparing it to the number of sell rated stocks in a database. Since it's below 1 and lower day over day and week over week, we do have that red light there, and it shows us overall weakness in the market.